welcome everybody. Eugene Hughes Motorized. Doggone it, drop the damn thing. Okay, so here we go. This is the fuel line. Look at that. Stiff as can be, right? So you don't want this on your motorized bicycle. Stuff starts shrinking. It'll start leaking on you. It can crack on you. You'll be cruising down the road and you feel something kind of peeing on your leg. This gas line here is like a lot more better here, okay? 3/16 of an inch ID is what you want. I got a link down below for you. You get 10 foot of this stuff here. You get a handful of these little bitty clamps. Yeah, it's got a thunderstorm coming in here. This is Texas in early September. At least it's not a hurricane. But yeah, check the link down below. I'll show you where you can get this stuff here. And let's go ahead. Let's fix my bike up here with some new gas line. Get rid of this old stuff here. When you replace your gas line, go ahead and pop your new fuel filter in. These things here, get the stuff in the gas will make the plastic brittle. And make note of your fuel filter. Where's it at? It's got an arrow. You can barely see it. You got to hold it to the light just right, and it shows the direction of the fuel flow. So your good fuel filters have a little chunk of magnet in it there, and it'll trap any metallic particles there and keep it from getting down into your carburetor and of course getting into your combustion chamber and causing problems with your rings there, okay? But make note of your arrow, and I'll have links for both the good fuel line and the fuel filters down below. So come on, let's check it out. All right, we're going to shut the gas off. Take this off. Okay, so as you can see, this stuff here is hard as a rock already here. I forget how long I've had it on the bike here. So I'm just going to cut some new pieces to match it. Want to be careful to not get any schmutz in your carb while you're putting this on. See if I can do it where you're not watching the top of my head or my fat fingers. All right, so we can see a little problem here. We really don't want this on the exhaust. So let's just go ahead and pull it just a little bit closer to the frame here. I've actually got a tie wrap where I've done that before. All right, so now we got rid of this old crap here. We got a new fuel filter on it, a new fuel line. Got some good clamps on it. We're secure away from the pipe. If you got an expansion chamber or whatever, we're good to go. Thumbs up. If you like the video, give me a big fat thumbs up. Click subscribe down there. I want to thank you for watching. Y'all take care.